Hi, Philip from TW White & Sons. We've been very fortunate enough to acquire this beautiful and rarely available Suzuki Ignis 1.2 SZ5 Dualjet Automatic, finished in the highly desirable, it's a wonderful, wonderful colour, this Tough Khaki Metallic with a black roof section. The colour combination is just awesome. It's lovely, and actually the video and the photographs, everything do it justice, but obviously won't do it as much justice as if you came to view the car in our Effingham showroom. But just a beautiful vehicle, really well specified, and in really great condition. What we call a grade 1 car. The paintwork sort of just pops out at you. It's a wonderful little car, this. Top of the range. Comes with these unique black alloy wheels, privacy glass. You know, I mean, you've got keyless entry. Look at that for an interior. Absolutely beautiful. Such a wonderful colour combination on this. And it's just done a shade over 15,000 miles, but it's virtually as new. Has not been properly valeted yet. We've cleaned it just so we can get it online. Split rear seat system, 50/50, load area covers in place. The interior boot plastic trims are all unmarked. Those are the only carpet mats there, they take them out for cleaning. This vehicle will come with 12 months RAC warranty, encapsulating 12, not RAC, Suzuki warranty, I must apologise, encapsulating 12 months roadside assistance. So 12 months Suzuki approved warranty, including 12 months roadside assistance. Car's been through the workshop, would have been serviced up in accordance to manufacturer's recommendations. It's undergone a 101-point used car check, which encapsulates everything. We check tyre tread depths, condition of the wipers, the vehicle's electrical systems, brake pads, brake discs, their thickness, etc. Everything is checked. As I say, keyless entry on this vehicle. You've got this beautiful black cloth interior here, unmarked, showing minimal signs of wear, absolutely no wear at all actually. Electric windows, automatic, one touch facility on the driver's window, electric windows all round, electric door mirrors, and sitting inside the car, I mean, just a wonderful external colour combination that is really well offset by this contrasting black and what I would call cream dash panel here. Really nice. First array of switches we come to our engine stop start button, traction control, and up here we've got other switches which can give you various information on the dashboard, which I'll come to in a minute, and a panel light rear stat. You've also got really good paddle shift control here. Let's just I'll take you over that in a minute. Let me just turn this off. So foot on the brake, bring the key in with you because it's keyless entry, and start. There we are. Got a nice little menu there. Says that we're low on fuel, which is par for the course. 15,817 miles. So yes, we need to put some fuel in it. Tachometer, rev counter on the left hand side. Center is the speedo, right hand side here, gear selector indicator, fuel gauge, mileometer, and there's an info button here. If I press this, it will change elements of this display. Instant fuel economy readout, average fuel economy 53.9, which out of an automatic is outstanding. You will get more. Range, as you can see, we have no fuel left. Average speed 29 miles an hour. Driving time, idling stop time, so it's stop start, fuel saved, etc. Really great specification with this. So just comes this multi-function steering wheel, You got mode button for the stereo, info button, integrated Bluetooth with voice control. It's a really high spec car, this. Cruise control. Beyond that, as I said to you earlier, look, these paddle shift control for the automatic gearbox, if you wish to use it, gives you a more immersive driving experience. Even the paddle shift control is illuminated. Great attention to detail there by Suzuki. Wipers on the right hand side, front and rear with wash wipe. On the left hand side here, auto lights, indicators, etc. So you're getting a really well spec car. To summarize this, you're getting the fuel computer, paddle shift control here, all illuminated when you turn the side lights on, cruise control, integrated Bluetooth with voice control, auto lights. So really good spec. Automatic climate control in the center here, and I'll come to the other switches beneath, but you got auto climate, so you just flick it on auto, it will adjust the fan speed automatically according to the internal temperature of the vehicle. It will also adjust the mode where you want the air to go. So a lot of people, all they do is they dial in the temperature they want, hit automatic, and it does it all for you. Take the air where you want, where it goes automatically. It will adjust the fan speed according to the internal temperature of the vehicle. If, for example, you want to operate it on like as a manual setup, to come off, at the moment, you see that's on auto. To come off auto, you just hit the fan there, or you can hit this mode button on the far right hand side. That's taking the air in a different direction. You can operate it as a manual system. Air conditioning, reset button, or taking air from the outside in. Demist, heated rear window, auto, as I said, off for the whole lot, on for it there. And just beneath this, you'll see here, really great spec. Let me just turn that down. This car encapsulates lane departure warning system and a smart city brake support. So really, really good system. Cup holders there, just there, and over here, automatic gearbox. Stick it in D, and you can use these paddle shift controls if you want to give you a more immersive driving experience. If not, just stick it in D and away you go. Unmarked dashboard, unmarked seats, beautiful condition. You've got here this Suzuki Entertainment Centre, which features DAB, so there you are. No reception at the moment, unfortunately. BBC, well, there is now. BBC Radio 1 it comes up with. Let's turn that down. But the point about it is it'll bring up all the program details here, and if you go into this cog button on all these functions, you can get into stuff like sound settings. So that'll give you bass, treble, fader, balance. It'll also give you speed dependent volume control, all that sort of stuff. Yeah, there it is. Bass, treble, fader, balance, equalizer preset, speed dependent volume control, which adjusts the volume to compensate for any road or engine noise. So back button here, it's so simple. Home screen here, satellite navigation, confirm it. The map looks like this. If you go into that cog button, again, it'll come up with sub menu to that sat nav. But going back to it, just show you destination, where you want to go, town or postcode, points of interest nearby. You can do a points of interest search. For example, if you want to get to banking, for example, press, he said here, press banking, look at the bank, comes up with a list of a nearest bank, highlight one of those, execute the command, and it'll take you there. Sat nav will take you there. Home screen, integrated Bluetooth with voice control you can add, or delete a phone. If you go into the cog button again, you get into the integrated Bluetooth. sub-menu, which you can display incoming text message, use phone, ringtone, etc. So just to summarize it, you've got DAB, satellite navigation, integrated Bluetooth with voice control, and what I love is you've got this. You can connect up your smartphone via a USB lead to the USB port, and you've got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. That simply means, having Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, that the icons you get on your phone, say for example you subscribe to Spotify, you've got Waze navigation, WhatsApp, etc., will all come up on this screen, and you can get into those. And for example, you can use Waze navigation, which is excellent, in conjunction not in conjunction, but instead of using the manufacturer's navigation, which is equally as excellent. Waze navigation tends to give you more live onboard updates and alternative routing, and it's a very well laid out app. But stuff like Spotify, all of that you can get into, so it gives you alternative music sources, messages, etc. That's the advantage of having Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So again, you're in the sub menu, but you can go back to the home screen like this to get in the reverse camera as well, with rear parking sensors. So really great specification here with this wonderful Suzuki, which is in absolutely beautiful condition. Having covered 15,800 miles, that's nothing on one of these, and it's in virtually as new condition. It's so rare, this Tough Khaki Metallic, and it makes the car look so stylish. Really nice. A beautiful example of the SZ5 Ignis Auto. 2021 on a 21 plate, 15,700 miles, outstanding condition, comes with 12 months Suzuki warranty, including 12 months roadside assistance. The manager over at Effingham, Marcus, tells me, informs me regularly, the waiting lists for these new are months. So if you want to get one quickly, this is the car to go for. Rarely available. We will take any car in part exchange. Will be as competitive as any of the online companies advertising on national television, if not more so. We want your business, and we will encapsulate within that the very best customer care. If you want to find out more about this unique Ignis, please go onto our website, which is www.twhiteandsons.co.uk. Thanks for watching.